In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete all your archived stories at once on Instagram. Deleting your archived stories on Instagram can be important for maintaining your privacy and managing your digital footprint. By removing old stories, you reduce the risk of unwanted exposure or potential embarrassment from past content. It also helps keep your profile organized and ensures that only the content you want to be visible is accessible to others. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and activity. On this page, select on the option of Archive right here. Tap right here to see your stories archives. To delete them all, you will just have to tap on these three dots and select on the option of Settings. Make sure to disable this feature. When disabled, your stories won't be saved to your archive anymore. Just get back and manually delete one by one as they won't add up anymore. That's how easy it is to delete all your story archives. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.